Hi everyone, welcome back to another new video of BullancePrime. In this video, you are going to learn two more candlestick pattern, which is morning star and evening star. Morning star is basically bullish pattern and evening star is basically a bearish pattern. So we are going to explain this both of the pattern, how it's work and how it is the condition and how we can apply it and how we can make a profitable trade using this two candlestick pattern. So let's jump to there. Okay, first of all we'll talk about the morning star. So which is basically a morning star is looking like a star on this bottom area. So first of all there is a candle and this area a star candle, and then we have the confirmation candle, and when it is closing this above this high we can go for enter for the long position. So this is exactly a pattern is, but this is important thing is the candlestick pattern is never gonna be the same as usual we see on the screenshot. It's never gonna perform the same, but it's some of these kinds of something is matching and something is not matching, but the predictionable, so we have to identify it. It's looking like a morning star and it's a bullish pattern. So when it is happening in the chart and it's required to, it should be created in the chart bottom area. So you can see this chart bottom and this is the top area. So this is already created one there, so we can go for the long momentum right now here. So for example, I'm gonna taking it a long position here. So there is, you can see a morning star. So I will wait for the little bit of when it is closing above this candle. So this is area this candling, okay, but no problem, we can go for it. We can go for long simply. Well, we can place a screenshot. The SL is blur this, so blur this area, and I'm gonna placing for our buying target is at least this for the targeting actually, and we can also identify the target is actually this depending on the previous candle high or etc. So I'm gonna targeting this area. Okay, that's it. Now if we go for moving on this chart, so this is our SL area. For getting more safely, so I can increase my SL limit little bit of longer, and that is okay. Now we're going for changing this color for the buying position area. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to placing this the trading, and we're going to continuation this. It will be go for a winning trade or a losing trade. So let's see. And you can see it was moving, and if we see it was started moving the consolidation against also, but this is never even had hit this our SL, and even it was completely hit our target area. Even it is gone for the more than our targets, and even still it was, if we see, still it was moving on there. So this is how the morning star trade is working for this is, but the important thing, the chart, the pattern, the candlestick pattern should be need to in the bottom of the chart area. So that's said. Well, now we are going to explain this, that how the evening star pattern is happening there. And the evening star pattern is, you can see this evening star pattern, and it's a bearish pattern. This is mostly important, the chart should be getting in the top area. So this is the chart top level and this bottom level, or you can say this is top for top, but this is still in the top area from there. So this is, I can say, a pattern is looking like, but it is still not looking like a evening star pattern. So we'll wait for some more candle. Okay, now it was looking like a morning evening star pattern is completely. Now for the evening star pattern we can go for the trading opportunity for finding here. So this is, it was, we can enter this position, and SL is lower this area, so I'm taking at least SL this area. And for the target I will go for, okay, that's it. I think that's a good amount of target, which is already your risk and profit ratio is management, and it is higher than, so we can go for movement this target. So let's see. Well, as you can see, it was already hit our target area from there. Well, I need to set this color changes. Okay, that's it. Now you can see it was already hit more than our target area, and it was still going to the continuation, this thing going on there. So this is how we can more do this, continue this trading for trailing with this stop loss even. So that is not the topic in this video, but that will be topic in our upcoming videos. We'll discuss about the how to is trailing a stop loss. So that's it. This is how this morning star and evening star is work. So I hope you understand the process. If you have any question about it, you can give me on the comment section below.